Hello students, good morning to all. So today we'll continue our new exercise self practice 2E. Now see, simplify. First question 1A, simplify. 4 by 5 divided 4 by 5 divided 2 by 5. 4 by 5 divided 2 by 5. See how we do this question. 4 by 5, we convert this division sign into multiplication. So whenever we convert this division into multiplication, the fraction after the division symbol will be, we will convert it into its reciprocal. So reciprocal of 2 by 5 will be what? 5 by 2. So whenever you convert this division into multiplication, turn the fraction after the division symbol into its reciprocal. Okay, do the reciprocal of the fraction next to the division symbol. So now here 5 1 is 5, cancel, 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4. So what you got? 2 multiply 1. So the answer will be 2. Okay, like this you have to do. Now we do 1D. 1 by 20 divided by 3 by 20. 3 by 20. Now see how you do this question. 21 is 20 plus 1, 21 by 20 divided 23 is 60 plus 3, 63 by 20. Okay, 21 is 20 plus 1, 21 by 20 divided 23 is 60 plus 3, 63 by 20. Now 21 by 20, convert this division into multiplication and make this fraction its reciprocal. 20 by 63. Now see 20 is cancelled with this 20. Now 3 7 ja, 3 21 ja, 7 1 ja, 7 3 ja. So 1 into 1, 1 into 3. You will get the answer 1 by 3. What you will get the answer 1 by 3. Now I move to the next question. Now question number 2C. 4 divided 1 by 3. 4 divided 1 by 3. So 4 divided, convert this into improper fraction. 3 1 is 3 plus 1, 4 by 3. Now 4 multiply 3 by 4. Now this 4 will be cancelled with this. So the answer is what? 3. Now see the question number 3rd. B. 7 1 by 2 divided 2 7 by 9. 7 1 by 2 divided 2 7 by 9. 2 7 is 14 plus 1, 15 by 2 divided 9 2 is 18 plus 7, 25 by 9. 9 2 is 18 plus 7, 25 by 9. 15 by 2, convert this division into multiplication and do the reciprocal of 2 by 25 by 9, 9 by 25. So whenever we convert this division into multiplication, so the fraction next to the division symbol will be converted into its reciprocal. So 5 3 is 15, 5 5 is 25. Okay, so now 3 multiply 9, 2 multiply 5. That is, you get the answer 3 9 is 27 upon 2 5 is 10. So 10 to the 20, 2 7 by 10. So what you get the answer? 2 7 by 10. Okay. Now see the question number 4. How many 2 by 3 hour periods are there in 16 hours? So that is going to divide the 16 hours. Divide 16 hours divided by 2 by 3. Okay, so how many 2 by 3 hour periods are there in 16 hours? So when you divide, then you will get the answer. So 16 divided 3 to the 6 to 8 by 3. 16 multiply 3 by 8. That is 6. So what is the answer? What you write? You write the answer. There are 6 2 by 3 hour periods. 6. There are 6. Hour periods in 16 hours. Like this you have to do. Okay. So now we move to the new exercise, self practice 2F, and this question number 5 I am leaving the homework for you. See the first question of self practice 2F. 1A 1 by 4 multiply 2 by 3 divided 1 by 6. That we have to simplify. See how we do. 4 1 ja 4, 1 5 by 4 multiply 2 by 3. Convert this divide into multiplication. That will become 6 by 1. Now see 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, cancel. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, cancel. 2 1 ja 2, this also cancel. So what is left? 5 multiply 1 multiply 1, 1 multiply 1 multiply 1. So the answer will be what? 5. Now see the last question, 1G. 1 by 4 multiply 7 divided by 12 7 by 12 minus 11 1 by 3 minus 11 1 by 3. See how we do this question. 4 1 ja 4 plus 1 5 by 4. Now 12 12 ja 144. Or we can do like that. We are doing this subtraction, the mixed fraction. 12 minus 11. 12 minus 11 gives you what? 1. 12 minus 11 gives you 1. And 7 by 12 minus 1 by 3. That is, you can write 1 plus 7 by 12 minus 1 by 3. Like this. 12 minus 11, that is 1. And 7 by 12 minus 1 by 3. So next, 5 by 4 multiply 7. Now here you see LCM of this 12 and 3. 12. So you can take this also as a 4. 12. 12 1 is 12 plus 7. 3 4 is 12 minus 1 4 is 4. 3 4 is 12, 1 4 is 4. Now see 5 by 4 multiply 7 divided, what you are going to get? 12 plus 7, 19 minus 4, 15. 15 by 12. So 5 by 4 multiply 7, divide, convert into the multiplication, 12 by 15, and do its reciprocal. 5 1 ja, 5 3 ja, 4 1 ja, 4 3 ja, 3 1 ja, 3 1 ja, cancel. So what you got the answer? 1 multiply 7 multiply 1. Here 1 multiply 1. The answer is will be 7. Okay. Now I move to the question number 2. Next question, see question number 2. One by 2. This is called the brace, middle bracket. 4 3 by 4 minus a small bracket, parenthesis. This is also called parenthesis. 3 1 by 6 minus 2 1 by 3. And we have to find its value. Okay. So see, 1 by 2, 4 4 is 16, 3 19 by 4. Now here you can solve. 3 minus 2 gives you 1. 3 minus 2 gives you 1. Directly I have done. Plus 1 by 6 minus 1 by 3. 3 minus 2 gives 1 and 1 by 6 minus 1 by 3. By 4. Now here we find the LCM 6. 6 1 just 6. Already 1. 3 2 just 6 minus 2. Now 1 by 2. 19 by 4. 6 plus 1 7 minus 2 5. 5 by 6. Now minus 5 5 6. 1 by 2 plus, no, LCM of 4 and 6 is 12. 4 3 is 12, 19 3 is 57. 6 2 is 12, 5 2 is 10. Minus 47. 1 by 2 plus 47 by 12. Again you see the LCM is 12. 2 6 are 6 1 is 6 plus 47 by 12. 53 by 12. Now 12 4s are 48. Remainder 5. 4 5 by 12. 4 5 by 12. See the option. 4 5 by 12, option C, correct. Okay. Now I will do the last question 3. After this, self practice 2F will be completed. Three 1 by 4 divided 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2 2 1 by 2 1 by 4 minus 1 by 6 divided 1 by 2 4 1 by 3. Now see how we solve this question. 4 3 is 12 1 13 13 by 4 4 1 is 4 1 5 by 4 2 2 is 4 1 5 by 2. Now first we remove this bar. According to the Godmas rule, this bar has the highest priority. So first of all, remove this bar bracket. It's called the bar bracket. This line over the number bar bracket. So how this will be removed? Find this LCM. LCM of 4 and 6 will be 12. So what we write? 12. 4 3 is 12. That will be 3. 6 2 is 12. That will be 2. And whatever the answer will come, over that we put this bar. Okay. And this 1 by 2. Off means multiply. 3 4 is 12 1 13. 3 4 is 12 1 13 by 3. Like this. Now see 3 minus 2 gives 1 1 by 12. So 5 by 2 minus 1 by 12. Now see here what you going to get 13 by 6. 13 by 6. 13 by 4. 5 by 4 minus, here take the LCM 12. 2 6 are 12, 5 6 are 13, minus 1. Convert this divide into multiply. Fraction will be reciprocal 6 by now 13 by 4 divide 5 by 4. Now 30 minus 1 gives 29 by 12. Minus 1 by 2 into 29 by 12 into 6 by 13. Now see here what the answer will come, 29 by 24. 5 by 4 minus 29 by 24. 5 by 4 minus 29 by 24. Okay, let me take it from the beginning only. Multiply 6 by 13. Now take the LCM of 4 and 24 is 24. 4 6 are 5 6 are 30. 29. 30 minus 29 gives 1 by 24. Now 30 by 4. Convert, divide into multiply. 24 by 1 multiply 6 by 13. Now see what you are going to get the answer. 31 is 13 cancel. 4 1 is 4. 4 6 is 24. Answer you are going to get 36. 6 6 is 36. Yes, correct. So this is all for the today, students. In the next class we will start new exercise, self practice 2G. So thank you for your kind attention.